Ready to make your store the star of the street? Let's talk signage. You've just opened a brand new retail store. Everything is perfect except for one thing, your signage. It doesn't grab attention, doesn't reflect your brand, and, worst of all, it's already showing signs of wear. Frustrating, right? Unfortunately, this happens more often than you'd think. In a market full of choices, how do you know you're picking a signage board that will last and make your brand shine? Let me tell you about a client of ours. They launched their store with cheap signage that looked great at first, but started fading within months. Customers didn't even notice the store because the sign blended in with the background. But after replacing it with one of our high-quality boards, foot traffic increased significantly and their brand visibility went through the roof. So, how can you make sure your signage stands out? First, don't just focus on price. Look at the durability and finish of the materials used. Second, test it under different lighting conditions. What looks good in the showroom might not pop in real-world environments. Finally, choose customizable solutions. Your signage should adapt as your brand evolves. If you want your brand to make a lasting impression, don't settle for less. Visit our website or call us today to learn more about how we can help your store shine from day one. Contact iDesign for more details. We will guide you to select the best one. Call 05242000123.